Today I'm going to make a wreath using some wooden discs. These are pieces that I have cut locally, but you can find these on my Amazon shop and make your own. So I'm using 18 pieces, and I would say they are between right around 3.5 inches in diameter. So I've got 9 laid down as my bottom layer, and then I'm just staggering how they fit above for the second layer. You could add some wood glue here, but I'm just using hot glue. I know that this is going to hang inside my home where the temperature does not fluctuate, but if you wanted to add some wood glue here for extra security, you certainly could. So I'm just putting some on each side of the disc so that it hits the 2 pieces that are underneath of each disc. Now you've got the base of the wreath, and I don't want to hold this up and mess with it too much, so I'm going to go ahead and build on this one that I have previously put together. What I'm using is some faux fern, but you can use whatever you have that's a dried or preserved or faux greenery. You can certainly make this wintry by choosing pine. What I'm doing today is going to be very neutral so that I can keep it displayed all year. And I plan on just changing it up a little bit seasonally by the ribbon that I select to hang it with. So I'm choosing 5 wooden flowers that I've selected. A lot have the bark on them, so that's going to tie in nicely with the pieces of wood that my wreath is built from. Just decide where you want to lay out your greenery and where you want to build your wreath. It could go, at the bottom, at the side. You could do something all around or at the top, but I'm going to kind of go at the bottom corner, I guess, and start with 1 piece facing forward and 1 piece facing down. And just positioning these how you like them with some hot glue. It does help to vary the placement of the flower, the direction that they're facing. So this first one I'm actually facing up instead of all of the flowers facing forward. I'm going to add some faux berries also, just for a little accent. I like to pull things in. Little pine cones here, little red berries would also be great. Or burgundy or blue, whatever matches your home and where you're going to hang the wreath. I sell collections of these loose wooden flowers on my website, woodlandcreations.net. This wreath was put together for a special event that I actually ended up creating a kit for. So check back often for kits that I may have periodically offered on my website, as well as a craft subscription box service that I offer. You'll find that there, information on that as well.